ได้บอกว่าไม่ได้เอารถกูไป
มายืนทำอะไรกันอะ
รอพูดลงกับ
Hey Hey yo Sap, what's good bruh? This man's kinda high out here Hey yo, the flyest motherfucker in the room, yeah you know it's me. Bitches hating on him cause he started out here locally. Hopefully, I'll be at the top soon. For now I'm at my house, on the couch, watching cartoons. You know how much you love it when you get it in abundance. Give a fuck about a budget when you always be the subject of discussion. But it's nothing when you stop and just say fuck it. Cause you walking out in public and you hear him talking rubbish. I just wanna ride through the city in a cutlass. Find a big butt bitch, somewhere get my nuts kissed. That's the way it goes when you party just like I do. Bitches on my dick that used to brush me off in high school. Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? Take over the world when I'm on my Donald Trump shit. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have and they in awe. We gon' win, you can take the lose or draw. What I'm in, got these hoes who used to play me in they bras. We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. Take over the world, watch these haters get mad. That's why all my bitches bad. They see this crazy life I have. Hop into the car and then we take them to the pad. It's the rap. And motherfuckers think they know me, but they never met the kids. Style come with excellence and money make benevolence irrelevant for the fuckers who never been intelligent. I kill my hammy, break the bottle for the hell of it. Tell a bitch that she better bring her friends. And if she want an autograph, she better bring a pen. Yeah, the party never end. This life is what I recommend. And if you gotta hope it for me, then she better be a 10.
ตอนนี้อยู่ไหนคะ
อยู่จุดพักเลย
ใส่แว่นไม่ถอดเลย
ตาลอยมาก
อย่าเห็น
โอ๊ย
ไม่สบายไม่น่าห้าวเลยว่ะห้าวก่อนมาทะเล
นี่อยู่ไหน
อยู่ที่จุดพักรถถามมึงแล้วเราจะไปพัทยามึงกดอะไร
ไปได้ก่อน
นี่เห็นเราสองคนคุณนึกว่าไม่ได้ใส่รองเท้าไปไหนไปทำอะไรมานะไปเยี่ยมขี่เยอะทั้งท่านบ๊ายบายนะ
If I lose myself, I lose it all. If I lose myself, I lose it all.
เรานี่เราถ่ายเอา
If I lose myself, I lose it all.
นี่ห้องเราแต่ว่าเราข้ามฝั่งมาจอดฝั่งนี้เฉยนี่ที่จริงเราพักอยู่
อยู่ชั้นไหนอ่ะ
กินอะไรอะคะ
ข้าว
มาตั้งไกลเลยสัตว์แดงอาหารตามสั่ง
You love how you push me to the point of crazy, and I love when you're on your knees and begging for me. You got me good with all these mind games. There you go, you got my heart again. Say my name, I wanna hear you call.
อะไรขนาดนั้น
Hold me close, I wanna feel your heart. I'm in a cold sweat and I want you bad. Now you got me all in my head like damn.
I'ma show you how to love again. I'ma show you how to love again. I'ma show you how to love again. I'ma show you how to love again.
Say my name, I wanna hear you call. Hold me close, I wanna feel your heart. I'm in a cold sweat and I want you bad. Now you got me all in my head like damn.
I'ma show you how to love again. I'ma show you how to love again. I'ma show you how to love.
Tonight we are victorious, champagne pouring over us. All my friends were glorious. Tonight we are
Victorious. Double bubble disco queen, heading to the guillotine. Skin as cool as Steve McQueen. Let me be your killer king. It hurts until it stops. We will love until it's not. I'm a killing spree in white. Eyes like broken Christmas lights. My touch is black and poisonous, and nothing like my punch. Drunk kiss, I know you need it. Do you feel it? Drink the water, drink the wine. Oh, we gotta turn up the crazy. Living like a washed up celebrity. Shooting fireworks like it's the 4th of July. Until we feel alright. Until we feel alright. I'm like a scarf, trinkets all up the sleeve. I taste like magic, waves that swallow quick and deep. Throw the bait, catch the shark, bleed the water red. 50 words for murder, and I'm every one of them. My touch is black and poisonous, and nothing like my punch. Drunk kiss, I know you need it. Do you feel it? Drink the water, drink the wine. Oh, we gotta turn up the crazy. Living like a washed up celebrity. Shooting fireworks like it's the 4th of July. Tonight we are victorious, champagne pouring over us. กับฉัน